How is everyone doing? All right, we're back again. Eureka Math Squared. I'm Mr. Short. Your name, first name, last name, date maybe even on here, class number on here. Module 4 for 4th grade, lesson 11. We're on pages 65 and 66 today. All right, if you haven't done it yet, hit the subscribe, tell a friend, tell a neighbor, tell a relative. Help me out. Let's look at number 1. Partition, shade, and label the tape diagram to represent 4/5. Then use the tape diagram and multiplication to partition and label the number line to represent the equivalent fraction. So remember, equivalent means equal to, and we've been working on that for a little bit now. So we are going to go ahead and show the tape diagram at 4/5. So we need 5 sections here. So we have, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections. So we want 4/5, and I have my highlighter here. So I'm going to do 4/5, which means 4 out of the 5 are colored in. I know. If I don't go all the way to the line, you guys tell me about it. There we go. Make sure we can see that line. Okay. All right. Now we want to show this is equal to 8/10. So draw your same lines out. Down here, you already have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now it's tenths. So it says here that we multiplied 2 times 5. So every one of these 5, we need to make them into 2 parts. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So now if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we have our 10 parts. So we want to show our 8/10. So here is 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10, 7/10, 8/10. Right? All the way 8/10. I'm just showing it. And if you want to put 4/5 here, 8/10 down here. Make sure you draw this all the way out on the bottom, though, because if you don't, you're not really, you're showing it, and it's implied, which means we should know how these are broken up, but just show it. Make it easier. All right? I'll do one more with you. You're doing the last one on your own. Number 2, partition and label the number line to represent 4/12. Then use the number line and division to partition, shade, and label the tape diagram to represent. All right, so let that sink in. So we're going the other way. Last time we started the tape diagram, ended with this because we got bigger. Now we're going smaller, so we're going to start with the number line and end with the tape diagram because we're getting smaller. So it shows us 4/12 down to 2/6. So 12ths, we need 12 sections. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. I should have spaced mine out a little better, but we're going to make it work. Okay. So we want to show 4/12. So 1, 2, 3. So we count spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And we need to see that a little better. Make sure you guys can see this better. I just want to make sure on the video you guys can see this good because I can see it here, but that looks much better. All right, good. All right, so that is our 4/12. So we're going to write down here 4/12. Well, now we need 6th. But we did this one first. So basically, every other line down here, because we're dividing by 2, so we want to get rid of 1 and use the next one. So there's 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. So we go 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we go 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, this should be drawn out better. Yes, I made it too sloppy. But as long as we make sure our top lines up, we're going to be good. So we have 6 spaces. We want to show 2 of them to show that it's equivalent, that magical fractional word we're using right now, equivalent. So here I will put 2 out of the 6 that are filled in, and that shows us that it is equivalent. Hopefully that makes sense. Hope you can see that. Sorry, I had to wipe my nose real quick. All right, let's look at the back on page 66. How much time passes from 2:35 p.m. to 4:02 p.m.? How many minutes? They want to know in minutes. So we're starting here, 2:35, and we got to go to 4:05. So think about how many minutes are in an hour. How many times will this have to go around to get back to 2 minutes after 4? Remember, you're starting at 2:35. You have to get to 4:02, which means this whole thing is going to go around the whole clock once and then start to go back again. It's the only clues I'm giving you to help with that. You guys can figure out the minutes. You could sit here and count every dash if you wanted to, all the way till you got to 4:02, but that's a lot of work. There's a quicker way to do it. All right, guys, that's it for me today, tonight, this morning, whatever time it is, wherever you're at. As long as it's helping you and you're getting enough sleep, it doesn't really matter what time it is where you're at. All right, this was Eureka Math Squared, 4th grade, Module 4, Lesson 11. I'm Mr. Short. I hope you had a good day, and I hope you have a good night.